Hello guys, welcome back again, and in this video I'm going to show you practically how you can remove image background using Canva. Or if you don't have a pro version of Canva, I will show you how you can do that right now. So now let's go to the Canva app. So guys, right now we can add our project. Let's use custom size 1080 by 1080 so as to create a free space where we can actually input our picture, and from there we can remove the background. So now let's click on this plus icon, go to gallery, images. Okay, now let's upload a picture. From upload, I think I have a picture here. Let me come and click on that. So let's assume I want to remove this image background. Can you see it here? As you can see, there is kind of background with the image. This is the background. Can you see it? And I don't want it because I just want to use the picture alone. So what am I going to do is that come here to effect, click on that. After clicking on that, can you see this video remover? Just click on that video remover. If you are using a Canva Pro, if you're not using a Canva Pro, it's not gonna work. And if you're using if you're not having a Canva Pro, when you join the masterclass, I'm going to share with you a link so that you can have an access to the Canva Pro for free. So now just click on that video remover and it automatically remove the background. Let's wait a little bit for it to load. Can you see, guys? The background image has been removed, and this is what we have. So I can use this thing to actually maybe design whatever I want. Can you see? So actually this is how you can use Canva Pro to remove your image background. Okay, now let's assume you don't have that, and also you do not have an access to our Canva Pro. So now let's go to our browser, Chrome. Just come here and type in remove.vg and click on that. Can you see it's loading a little bit? So just wait for it a little bit to load. So this is where you should see yourself, and then just come here and click on upload image. It will automatically take you to your gallery so that you can maybe take a picture from there and also import it. Let me try and upload a picture. I think I have something here. Here's my Twitter. Okay, so now just wait for it a little bit to load. So guys, can you see that we have it here? This is our image. The background has been removed successfully. What we are just going to do is that come here and click on this download button, and it will automatically download to your storage. Can you see? The file has been downloaded. Okay, now let's click on that and see how the file should look like. Can you see? So now we can go back to our Canva and also upload this thing. So this is basically how you can actually remove a picture. You can remove a background from a picture. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.